Muganga wa Tshiema wu kumeka kusuhi na doroba ra Harrismith exifundzeninkulu xa Free State. Vutomi byi sungule ku tika eka vaaki va ndhawu leyi. Kusukela hi nhweti ya N'wendzamhala va ri hava gezi.
We cannot do anything, especially for the young kids. You know, in the morning, you have to warm water for them, and we struggle to do that. I have to use the paraffin heater, and it takes time because I have to do this outside the house because it's gonna bad smell.
Since this whole thing of electricity, December, the meat was rotten. There was nothing to eat. We had to buy ices on a daily basis.
Masipala uri ku ve no hlwela eka ku lunghisa gezi exitichini.
It was during December, the factory were all closed. So then we didn't get the material on time. Then we started getting the material during January, maybe then second week of January. Then it takes so long because of that problem, because it was closing.
Masipala uri u ta tiva leswaku swi dyi mali muni ku lunghisa gezi loko se va hetile.